Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are in Birmingham, Alabama. We are headed to Bradenton, Florida for Summer Nats USA at the Freedom Factory. The Panda is struck again. I think we might have lost the lift pump and John's Duramax, so we're trying to get a game plan and figure that out. So I guess we're gonna hook the battery back up, see if those permanent codes cleared that won't clear, or see if they will clear.
Oh yeah, 2 batteries.
Got a Walbro 535.
Alright, moment of truth. What's that noise?
I can hear it now. What's this noise up here?
Alright, so it appears that we have absolutely no pressure coming from the in-tank pump whatsoever. We disconnected the batteries, got it to actually clear the permanent codes, but we still have a fuel pump speed code coming up, and you can hear the pump. It's just not actually coming on. It's just trying to come on, but it's not coming on. So now we are going to slide this toolbox forward, cut a hole in the bed of this pretty truck to be able to get the fuel pump out as quickly and efficiently as possible. And Jason is headed to O'Reilly's to get us a fuel pump. So we're gonna unhook the battery, bust out this angle grinder, pull some measurements, measure once and cut 5 times.
Disconnect the batteries.
That's that last lock you right there. So the pump's right here. Feel how hot that thing is.
It's still hot. Dude. I bet it was clogged up. You said go to O'Reilly's. I just went the closest to O'Reilly's. Nothing specified.
Yeah, no, proper planning prevents this poor performance.
That O'Reilly's over there. The other O'Reilly's is 3 towns that way.
Oh shit.
Yeah. But they was wanting to tell me, I can get it here. It'll be here by 1 o'clock. I said, I need the motherfucker right now.
We ain't waiting till 1.
I got a buddy with trying to keep the car.
Now we can put all this back together. Self-tap the toolbox back down, strap our tires back in the bed. All right, we have made it to Buc-ee's. This thing seems to still be throwing some fuel pressure codes. We're gonna hope it works itself out, I guess. We are at the Buc-ee's in Leeds, Alabama on I-20. guys, we are rolling into Atlanta now, headed to the Summit store. We're causing some traffic, of course, ATO traffic. You already know how that goes, unless you're rolling through here like 3 o'clock in the morning. And it's a ghost town. We're loaded down with snacks, AirPods and iPad. Making our way across Georgia now. All right, guys, we have made it to Summit Racing in Georgia. We are here. Got a few Utes over here and a Falcon. You'll see a lot of these things, man. Check that out. Yeah. Check this thing out, y'all. Yeah, I've never seen one of these in person. Only on the videos.
It's a bit dirty, but this is the infamous barrel.
Yeah. That is awesome.
We did some very basic, like we put some injectors in it, put a Haltech on it, and a dump pipe. We ended up making 470 horsepower, just a quick touch up on it.
Heck yeah, that's
Has
awesome,
so much
man.
more in it, but
That's awesome.
Keep it very slow.
Yeah, this thing's wicked.
I bet it's fun.
It's going to be doing the drag racing.
All right, guys, we are inside the Summit store now, and it is absolutely freaking awesome. So they got a whole clearance section. Check this out. This is awesome. It's all color coded. So like blue is Ford, orange is Chevy, white is Mopar. Got some good ones. All right, so it looks like Andrew's gonna get him a Summit hat. Emma found her a turbo cup. I need an AN fitting for a vent valve on my fuel tank. Jason, I got him a flex plate for 80 bucks. All right, guys, we're leaving the Summit store. That's freaking awesome. Emma and I, when we were hauling campers, we went to Florida back in like 2020. We passed this place. I wanted to stop here ever since. Never had time. Never been on a mission. Today we needed something. We went and got it. We got us a rollover valve for the fuel cell in Panda. We got her a turbo cup. Let's see what you got. Check that out. Got some spark plugs, rods, pistons, turbos on it. She got us a checker backpack for event stuff. Andrew got him a hat. And I got a rollover valve. They had a whole section of clearance items in there, demo stuff. Jason picked up a chromoly flex plate from Hayes for like, I think it was like 80 bucks. It was like a $220 flex plate. He picked up for like 80 bucks. Man, you can't beat that. All right, y'all, so, you know, I got hit back in December. I pulled this out the best I could, cleared it. That kind of seemed to be like the most voted solution on Facebook. So we stuck our Panda badge back on here the best we could. Just decided to rock the old one since it's got some character. But we do have to redo this front decal. just gonna stick this bad boy right here. Got the old Arkansas driver's license. See if I can do this without screwing it up. We do them a little better the way they're not crooked, but still got a rep for front, you know. If you squint, it's mint. That's right. So we stay squinting around here. Alright guys, so it's like 10:30 at night. We are like 20 minutes from Florida state line. We're at a Wawa right here in South Georgia, and we're putting some fuel in both trucks. We're going to fill up this 5-gallon jug here as well. And we had some more issues out of the fuel system on John Murray's truck, so he decided to fall back and hang out just south of Atlanta right there at the Summit store, because when we went to leave the Summit store, everything just went to hell in a handbasket. So he fell back in South Atlanta, McDonough or whatever it's called. He's gonna try to find a way to get his truck home, and it's looking like it's got some pretty major fuel system issues right now. So we've got this thing hooked to Jason's truck. Trying this again. We're gonna hope for the best. We're just cruising, taking it nice and easy. Got us to be at the Airbnb at like 3 o'clock in the morning. And then of course gates open for competitors at 8 a.m. But we don't have very much fuel in this thing at all. And in the morning, we're gonna be backing it off the trailer, changing the oil in it, and driving it to Summer Nats. So we probably need to top it off, make sure we got some fuel in this thing. It's supposed to be a 15-gallon tank. It's already filling up a lot better than the stock K5 tank did. Yeah, we're good. And then we're gonna fill this 5-gallon jug up too. That way I've got 20-gallon capacity when I'm rolling around. It's been a day, y'all. Every time we come down here, it is a journey. And I say every time, this is the second time, and we're 2 for 2, okay? We'll put these things in the wind, and we will see you guys tomorrow at Summer Nats USA at the Freedom Factory in Bradenton, Florida. Thank you guys for watching. Remember to hit that subscribe button. Drop us a comment.